Welcome, engineers. Today we're exploring the Ka-KB Dissociation Interactive Calculator, which solves acid-base dissociation problems. Let's review the input fields. First, there's a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate K from pH and concentration. Calculate Kb from pOH and concentration. Calculate pH from K and concentration. Convert between pKa and pKb, conjugate acid-base relationships, and equilibrium concentrations from K. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Ka from pH and concentration. The input fields include pH, pOH, initial concentration in molarity, K acid dissociation constant, Kb base dissociation constant, pKa, and pKb. For our example, I'll enter 10 for pH, 10 for pOH, 10 for initial concentration, 10 for Ka, 10 for Kb, 10 for pKa, and 10 for pKb. After clicking Calculate, here are our results. K equals 1000E21, pKa equals 21.00, hydrogen ion concentration equals 1000E10 molar, percent dissociation equals 0.00%. Conjugate base Kb equals 1.1000 E plus 7, and conjugate base pKb equals negative 7.00. These values demonstrate the relationship between pH and dissociation constants for extremely weak acids. This calculator streamlines complex dissociation calculations for your acid-base systems. Find the link in the description below.